If you're involved in an accident and the person that caused the accident is also being prosecuted because they were drunk or because they were driving recklessly, it's also important to call us. All three of us have extensive experience as prosecutors and also as personal injury lawyers. We know what the criminal system is like. We know the ins and outs of it. We used to be there. We used to be the overwhelmed prosecutor handling tons and tons of cases. And it's important to make sure that you have an advocate through that process. If the person who hit you was drunk, you're going to be dragged in as a witness in potentially their DUI trial. You might be deposed. You might have to go to court to testify. It's important to have a lawyer on your side, not a government attorney, but your personal attorney, to make sure that your rights are protected and to make sure that the civil case is protected through the process of the state seeking justice for the criminal wrongdoing. There's also other evidence that needs to be preserved regarding a DUI. A civil jury is not necessarily going to hear that the person who hit you was drunk. That's why it's important to talk to a personal injury attorney early on to make sure that the most important evidence makes it to a civil jury. Yeah, so if you were in a crash and you believe that the person who hit you was texting while driving, it's especially important that you call us immediately. There could be evidence of the person using cell phones or a mobile device at the time of the crash, and that evidence needs to be preserved. If that evidence isn't preserved, a jury will never hear about it.